In this video, I'll show you how to perform a factory reset on your Android phone. First, open your phone's settings. In the top right corner of your screen, tap on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and look for an option that says System. If your phone doesn't have this option, click on the About Phone button that I show here. Tap on it. Now you will see several reset options. The last option should be Factory Data Reset. This option will delete all your data, so make sure you've backed up anything important before proceeding. Tap on Factory Data Reset, and it will confirm that all your data will be deleted, including apps, contacts, and settings. Once you confirm, the reset will begin. That's all there is to it. After the reset, your phone will be restored to its original factory settings, helping to remove any viruses or unnecessary apps that were causing issues. I hope this helps. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more helpful content. See you in the next video.